Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to manage Reels default audience. Maybe you wanted to know on how to manage default audience in your Reels but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage Reels default audience. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed to your home page. And then from here, tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner to proceed. And once you are in this page, simply scroll down and you will see here the settings and privacy. Tap on this drop down button. And then in here, choose settings. And then under the settings and privacy, you will see here the preferences and also the audience and visibility. Under the audience and visibility, you will see here the Reels. Tap on it. And as you can see in here, Reels default audience. To manage it, simply tap on this drop-down button beside the friends. In here, you can set your audience to public, friends, or friends except. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage Reels default audience, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage Reels default audience on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.